What's good? What it do, YouTube fam? Back with another video. Spider web. Y'all can see we got a box in for pure cocaine. Box Chevy. The box is the console I ordered from Upholstery. And I want y'all to unbox it with me. And I already cut the tape on it, make it a little easier, so I won't be fumbling around with the camera. But we're gonna unbox it. And y'all let me know what y'all think. It's a nice touch for pure cocaine. Want to keep it kind of on the OG side, not do nothing too crazy. I think it complements everything perfect. And it ties in with the original flow of the interior. Turn y'all around. See, he got it packaged up real good. This is what we got for a double den. Factory blue leather side material. I didn't go with the logos, the Broham logos on the side because I wanted to keep it, real OG. But I love this wood look. It ties into it. We're gonna sit it inside the car so you can really get an idea of what's going on. So we out with this one here. With the old grandma tray. Drinks be flipping over out of it anyway. Now we got us a real console. Real player. Real player. Let the seats back. They're back far as they go. Let's see if we can get this thing in here. Okay. That ain't gonna work. In the seats. Okay. Turn it this way. Let's see. Man, I should have came with some instructions on how to get it in here. I don't want to take it apart. Let's see, you got these tabs on the side. You can flip the covers off. Get to the screws. But I ain't trying to break it down. I don't want to do that. Let's see if we can finesse this thing in here. I know we can finesse it in here some kind of way. I'm trying to work with one arm. Okay. Let's see. We can finesse it. Seat back far as it goes. Okay. You just gotta finesse it on in. Work it in there. Okay. There we go. Don't go putting a breaking apart on me. Okay. Try to fit tight up on there. I guess that's it. Okay. This is even. Oh shit. I'm about to mess up. Already. See, I done push the bezel off. Okay. Got that That's where it's supposed to be. Alright. Got it sitting in there. Let me know what y'all think. I love it. The wood is perfect. A perfect match. You know, I almost like it came with the car from the factory. And that's what I'm looking for. Exactly what I was looking for this car. With the other one, 400 degrees, we're gonna go a little crazy. We're gonna go crazy with that one. You know, light grill. You know, yeah, go this, go that. You know, we're going crazy with that one. But for pure cocaine, we're gonna keep it OG. On the OG side, gotta find a good double DN that'll go in there, so we can retire this little junk here. Cause I only got one speaker playing with this, so hopefully all the speakers will work once I get the double DN in. Cause I like my music up loud when I'm vibing out. Now, barely can hear with that little transmitter junk. Time we do away with that one. But yeah, I'm loving that look. Y'all drop down in the comment. Let me know what y'all think. You rocking with it or nah? And should I get one for the back? It said one that goes in the center of the seat. Similar to this, but not similar to it, but the same style with the wood. And I got the 2 cup holders. I think they be like in line, coming down the seat, like in line. Let me know if y'all think I should get the one for the back, or don't do too much. Just leave it like this. I appreciate everybody that's rocking with me, staying down with the channel. Hope y'all enjoying the content. Stay locked, stay tuned. We out.